Maintaining a clean home as a senior facing disability or chronic pain can be challenging. The physical challenges, energy limitations, and even mental strain can make what once seemed like simple tasks feel monumental. However, by adopting adaptive tools, establishing manageable routines, and seeking support when needed, you can create a comfortable living environment that suits your needs. Based on what I've learned from countless shared experiences and personal stories, here are some unique and practical tips to help you maintain your home without overexertion, ensuring your space remains a sanctuary of comfort and safety. Number 1. Use furniture sliders for easy rearranging. Moving furniture to clean underneath can feel impossible, especially when you're in pain. Furniture sliders are small pads placed under heavy furniture that allow you to glide sofas, chairs, and tables with minimal effort. These sliders are inexpensive and reduce the physical strain of deep cleaning. Sophia, a senior dealing with chronic back pain, shared her experience. "I used to dread cleaning under the couch, but with sliders, I just give it a little push, clean up and slide it back. No more stress on my back." You can purchase furniture sliders at hardware stores, major retailers like Walmart or Target, or online through platforms like Amazon. When choosing sliders, look for options that match your flooring type. For example, felt bottom sliders work best for hardwood or tile, while plastic sliders are ideal for carpeted surfaces. Always check the weight capacity of the sliders to ensure they can support your furniture safely. 2. Rotate cleaning tasks weekly. Instead of trying to clean the entire house every week, you could assign 1 or 2 rooms to each week. This rotation system spreads the workload over time, making it less daunting and more achievable. For instance, one woman on a senior living blog said, "Week 1 is the kitchen and bathroom. Week 2, I tackle the bedrooms. Week 3, I focus on the living and dining areas. By week 4, I circle back to the kitchen and bathroom." This cycle ensures that every area gets attention without overwhelming you. You can pair this approach with smaller daily tasks like wiping counters or sweeping high-traffic areas. This helps you maintain a consistently clean home with less effort. 3. Invest in multi-use cleaning tools. Owning tools that serve multiple purposes can save effort and storage space. For example, a steam cleaner can sanitize floors, clean grout, and refresh upholstery all in one. Similarly, microfiber cloths can dust, polish, and clean surfaces without needing extra sprays. David, a retired engineer, raved about his steam cleaner in a post. "I clean my bathroom tiles and kitchen floor without scrubbing. It's worth every penny." Investing in versatile tools simplifies your routine and reduces the physical effort required. 4. Take advantage of chair-based cleaning. If standing for long periods causes pain, clean while seated. Use a rolling stool or a sturdy chair to clean lower areas, like baseboards, without having to bend or crouch. Martha, a senior with knee problems, shared, "I sit on my rolling stool when I clean the bathroom. It's safer and easier, and I can get the job done without feeling miserable afterward." Finding ways to clean while seated can make the process more comfortable. 5. Prevention is key. The less mess you create, the less you have to clean. Simple habits like taking shoes off at the door, using placemats, or wiping spills immediately can significantly reduce the cleaning workload over time. For example, placing washable slipcovers on frequently used furniture can protect them from stains and wear, making maintenance easier. Similarly, coasters can prevent water rings on tables, and a simple shoe rack by the entrance can encourage family and guests to leave their footwear there. Frank, a disabled veteran, shared his mantra. "If I spill it, I clean it right then. If it's clutter, I put it away as soon as I'm done. Staying ahead of the mess is half the battle." Small preventative measures like these go a long way in maintaining a clean home and reducing the effort required for deeper cleaning sessions. 6. Use a cleaning calendar or checklist. Having a cleaning calendar can help break tasks into smaller, scheduled steps. Write down which chores to do on which days and keep it somewhere visible. This creates structure and helps you avoid feeling overwhelmed by the bigger picture. Joanne, a retired librarian, shared, "I bought a magnetic weekly planner for my fridge. It's so satisfying to tick off tasks like dust bookshelf or clean sink." A checklist also provides a sense of accomplishment as you mark each task complete. For those who prefer digital solutions, there are user-friendly apps like Toady or Our Home, which help you organize chores and send gentle reminders. If you'd rather go old school, printable templates for cleaning calendars are widely available online, including customizable versions you can adjust to suit your schedule. Try searching for printable cleaning calendar templates to find options that you can print and stick on your fridge or bulletin board for easy reference. 7. Practice one-handed cleaning techniques. If you experience joint pain or reduced mobility in one arm, learn one-handed cleaning techniques. You can use tools like a small handheld vacuum or a cleaning mitt that fits on one hand, allowing you to clean surfaces easily. Paul, a stroke survivor, shared his approach. "I use a mitt on my good hand for dusting, and it's so much easier than holding a cloth. I also have a lightweight handheld vacuum for quick cleanups." This method minimizes physical strain while still getting the job done. 8. Layer mats and rugs strategically. Protect floors in high-traffic areas with washable rugs or mats. These can catch dirt and spills, making cleaning quicker and easier. You can opt for slip-resistant mats for added safety. Linda, a senior with a spinal condition, shared, "I put washable mats in the kitchen and hallway. When they get dirty, I toss them in the washer instead of scrubbing the floors." Strategically placed mats can significantly reduce the need for frequent deep cleaning. 9. Optimize storage solutions. Accessible and organized storage reduces clutter and makes cleaning faster. Use labeled bins, sliding shelves, or stackable containers to store items in a way that doesn't require bending or reaching. Emily, a retired art teacher, explained, "I use clear bins for my art supplies and stack them at waist level. Everything's in sight and easy to grab, so I'm not fumbling around. A well-organized home is easier to maintain and keeps everything within reach." 10. Clean with essential oils for comfort. Cleaning doesn't have to be a chore, it can be a sensory experience. Add a few drops of essential oils like lavender or lemon to your cleaning sprays. The pleasant scents can uplift your mood while making your home smell fresh. Carolyn, who battles anxiety, shared this tip. "I add lavender oil to my mop water. It calms me while I clean, and the house smells amazing afterward." Transforming cleaning into a more enjoyable experience can make it less daunting and even therapeutic. However, it's important to take precautions if you or others in your household have allergies or sensitivities to essential oils. Test a small amount first and ensure proper ventilation when using them. Also, avoid using essential oils in areas frequented by pets, as some oils can be toxic to animals. 11. Use hands-free trash cans. Struggling with bending down to open trash can lids can cause unnecessary discomfort. Switching to a hands-free trash can with a foot pedal or sensor makes throwing away garbage quick and pain-free. These cans are particularly helpful in kitchens and bathrooms, where you often have your hands full. Mary, a senior with limited hand strength, shared, "My touchless trash can change my life. I don't need to bend or struggle to open it. It's so much easier." Investing in accessible trash disposal solutions can make routine tasks more comfortable. 12. Microfiber mop with spray functionality. Traditional mops can be heavy and cumbersome. A microfiber mop with a built-in spray feature is lightweight and eliminates the need for a bucket. You simply fill the mop's reservoir with a cleaning solution, and you're ready to go. Henry, who suffers from joint pain, swears by his microfiber spray mop. "It's light, and I can clean my floors without dragging a heavy bucket around. It's made cleaning so much easier." This tool is especially useful for maintaining hard floors with minimal effort. 13. Use washable cleaning pads. Disposable wipes can add up in cost and waste, so consider using reusable and washable cleaning pads. These pads can be attached to tools like Swiffers or used on their own for dusting and wiping. After use, simply toss them into the washing machine. Rebecca, a retired teacher, noted, "I love my washable pads because they're soft on my hands and save money. I use them to clean everything from counters to mirrors." Using washable pads not only saves money, but also ensures you always have cleaning tools on hand. 14. Simplify bedding changes. Changing bed sheets can be physically demanding, especially for seniors or those with mobility issues. Use fitted sheets with deep pockets and elastic corners that are easier to pull over mattresses. Additionally, lightweight quilts or comforters are easier to manage than heavy blankets. Laura, who has limited arm strength, shared her strategy. "I switched to a simple bed setup, just a fitted sheet, flat sheet, and a light quilt. Making the bed is much faster and doesn't wear me out." Simplifying your bedding setup can make this routine chore less daunting. 15. Use portable handheld vacuums. For quick cleanups, a handheld vacuum can be a lifesaver. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and perfect for small messes like crumbs on the couch or dirt near the doorway. Many handheld vacuums are cordless, making them even more convenient. Ben, a senior living with arthritis, commented, "I don't have the strength for a full vacuum, but my handheld model is perfect for small jobs. I keep it in the living room and use it almost daily." A handheld vacuum allows you to maintain cleanliness without the strain of handling a full-sized vacuum cleaner. 16. Adopt the 15-minute rule. One of the most repeated and appreciated pieces of advice is to break your cleaning into small, manageable chunks. Instead of trying to tackle your whole house in one go, dedicate just 15 minutes a day to tidying up. Set a timer and focus on one small area, like wiping down the kitchen counters or organizing a drawer. For example, Carol, a retired teacher, mentioned how she keeps a small sand timer on her kitchen counter. She flips it while doing dishes or wiping surfaces. "I know I can stop when the sand runs out," she said, "and it's amazing how much I get done in that short time." This method prevents burnout and gives you a sense of accomplishment without overwhelming you. 17. Create cleaning stations. Place cleaning supplies in multiple areas around the house. Having a small caddy in each room with essentials like disinfecting wipes, a dust cloth, and a handheld broom can make cleaning easier. This way, you don't have to lug supplies from room to room. Tom, who uses a wheelchair, shared, "I keep a mini spray bottle and wipes in the bathroom and kitchen. If I see something dirty, I can clean it right then without making a trip to the hall closet." This approach not only saves time, but also ensures that messes are dealt with promptly, preventing them from becoming bigger chores later on. 18. Enlist help, but do it your way. Accepting help isn't a sign of failure, it's a sign of resourcefulness. Whether it's a family member, friend, or professional cleaner, having someone assist with heavier tasks can make a big difference. But here's the key. Make it collaborative. Sit nearby and guide them on how you like things done. Margaret, an elderly woman living with MS, wrote in a post about how she involves her granddaughter in cleaning. "She vacuums while I fold laundry. We play music and it's turned into a bonding activity." Inviting others to help doesn't just make cleaning easier, it creates opportunities for connection and shared memories. 19. Declutter strategically. Clutter makes cleaning harder, so consider simplifying your space. Start with one drawer, one shelf, or one corner at a time. Decide what to keep, donate, or toss. Having less to manage can ease your burden immensely. In an online video dedicated to seniors, one gentleman shared how they decluttered with his daughter. "We played a game. If it didn't bring me joy or serve a purpose, it went into the donate box. It felt so freeing. Decluttering not only makes cleaning easier, but also creates a more peaceful and organized environment, reducing stress. 20. Prioritize high-impact areas. Focus your energy on the spaces you use the most. For instance, keeping the kitchen counters clean or ensuring your bathroom is tidy can have a big impact on how you feel about your home overall. Don't stress about the less visible areas. Barbara, a retired nurse, shared this pearl of wisdom. I've learned to close the door on my guest room. It's not perfect, but my living room is clean, and that's where I spend my time. Concentrating on high-traffic areas ensures that your efforts make the greatest difference in your daily life. 21. Incorporate cleaning into your routine. Tie cleaning tasks to things you already do daily. For example, wipe the bathroom sink after brushing your teeth or sweep the kitchen floor while waiting for your coffee to brew. Making cleaning a natural part of your routine prevents tasks from piling up. John, a retired truck driver, described his method on Reddit. Every night, I set a goal to clean one thing before bed, even if it's just wiping the TV remote. It's my way of ending the day on a productive note. Pairing cleaning with daily habits turns it into a seamless part of your lifestyle. 22. Leverage online and local resources. Many communities have volunteer services or affordable cleaning programs for seniors and disabled individuals. Some organizations offer free or low-cost assistance with chores. It's worth researching what's available in your area. One elderly shared a heartwarming story about finding a volunteer group that helps seniors in her town. They cleaned my windows last spring. It's amazing how much brighter my house feels now. Additionally, online platforms like TaskRabbit can connect you with people willing to assist with specific cleaning tasks for a reasonable fee. 23. Celebrate small wins. It's easy to get discouraged when you can't do as much as you'd like, but every little bit counts. Cleaned the kitchen table? That's a win. Tidied the living room? That's another win. Focus on what you've accomplished rather than what's left to do. Helen, who battles chronic fatigue syndrome, shared her perspective. I've stopped aiming for perfection. I aim for progress. Even if I'm just folding a few towels, I remind myself, this matters. Celebrating these small victories keeps you motivated and builds a positive mindset. 24. Practice self-compassion. Above all, be kind to yourself. Life changes, and so do our abilities. It's okay if your home isn't spotless. What matters most is that it's a space where you feel safe and comfortable. One elderly gentleman put it beautifully. A clean home is a blessing, but so is a home filled with love and laughter. Don't lose sight of what's truly important. Allow yourself the grace to prioritize your well-being over perfection, and remember that your home is a reflection of your life, not a measure of your worth. Keeping your house clean when you're elderly or disabled is not about striving for perfection. It's about finding a system that works for you. Celebrate your efforts, lean on your community, and remember that it's okay to ask for help. Your home is your sanctuary, and with a few adjustments, it can continue to be a source of pride and comfort for years to come. Feel free to share your own thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you found the video helpful, kindly give it a like, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more tips on living your best life in your golden years. Take care, and thank you for watching.